262 pounds from both sides of the mirror, Josh Lewis. And weighing in at 225 pounds from New Albany, Indiana, he's the AWA Central States Heavyweight Champion, the Ironman, Conway.
Here we go. First title match of the night. The AWA Central States Heavyweight Championship. And these men know each other real well. Last time they faced off, the Ironman captured the title for the second time. Josh Lewis looking to get it back. Checking himself out in that shiny title. That is what they were fighting for. Impressive physique on Rob Conway. That's certainly taking nothing away from Josh Lewis. Both men at peak physical level here. The crowd now wanting those glasses. We have got a packed house here tonight. Harmony Park in Seymour, Indiana. And of course, this always gets under the skin of Josh Lewis. These two definitely know each other very well. Of course, we've told many times before that Rob Conway was the trainer of Josh Lewis. One of his trainers helped get him in the business. These men have been tag team partners, tag team champion partners. Oh, what is this? Hope Josh is going to give him the glasses. Oh, come on. This is a kid's birthday. Conway is not going to stand for this. It's that kid's birthday, and he's just nailing him. And now the kid gets his glasses. That's great. Josh Lewis picking on the little kids. Rob Conway making him pay for it. Good for Rob. Looks like we're going to get underway now. And we are officially underway. This AWA Central States title match. And Josh Lewis getting nailed in the corner. This is the other turnbuckle. Getting those turnbuckles. Very thin bit of padding with a steel bolt right underneath. If anything, the padding just makes it harder. But Lewis able to turn it around. And big time, got to take care of Rob Conway early, you think. Rob Conway, a veteran, got to think the longer the match goes, the more it favors him. These two have had battles in about every city that Supreme has been in. Now taking it to Seymour, Indiana. Choking him on the ropes. Referee putting the count on him. Josh got to make sure he don't get a disqualification. Cannot win the title on a DQ. Pinfalls and submissions only. Josh Lewis with the Irish whip. What a back elbow. You heard it connect with his skull. That could be a match ender right there. Josh got him in a rear chin lock. Oh, come on. He's got his wrist tape. He didn't do anything with it yet. Oh, come on, ref. That's illegal. You got to get that out of his hands. I know he's putting a count on him, but you got to take it out of his hands or disqualify him. Josh Lewis dangerously close to a disqualification, you gotta think. Oh, Rob Conway firing back. Just slaps him in the face. These two have been great friends, bitter enemies. I think it all stems from ego. Josh Lewis sees himself as the Rob Conway of today. Not that Rob Conway's past his prime in any way, but he wants to be where Rob Conway has been and where he's at. 1, 2. Former NWA World Heavyweight Champion 2 times. The top prize in all of wrestling. I mean that with all sincerity. There's a lot of companies that claim they have world champions. The NWA World title is the top. And now Conway holding the AWA Central States title. Of course, Supreme was once affiliated with NWA. Great relationship with them. And now Josh Lewis just lifts him up. Backbreaker. Got to be at 1, 2. We got him. Dude, the referee's hand did hit the mat, but Conway's shoulders did pop up before 3. And he's letting the referee have it. And now he's getting back focused on the match, and Rob Conway moves. Mistake, he took too long there. So I mentioned these two have been tag team partners here at Supreme and elsewhere. Tonight it's all about the AWA Central States Heavyweight Championship. Oh, missed, blocked it, punch of his own there by Conway. Conway firing off on him. A third one. Takes him into the turnbuckle. Conway, vicious right hands. And Conway is fired up. The Ironman whips him off. Josh Lewis up and over. And look at the impressive strength of the Ironman. Josh Lewis is no cruiserweight. 262 pounds of solid muscle, and he's just powering him over with ease. Lewis is begging off. Conway's not going to give him any. He might have took too long there. 1, 2, he's got the tights in the ropes.
Here's your winner and new AWA Central States Heavyweight Champion, Big Time Josh Lewis.
Josh Lewis stole that title. You hate to see it end that way. He had his tights and his feet on the ropes. You got to feel for the Ironman here. Defend that title all over the Central States region. And to lose it to this in this fashion from one of his most hated and heated rivalries. Josh Lewis is the champion.
Accompanied to the ring by Jenna Storm, weighing in at a total combined weight of 568 pounds, JB Kidd, Marksmen Fudd, the Marksmen. Introducing weapons, weighing in at a total combined weight of 569 pounds, the Texas Outlaw, wide and free, Tommy Jack McGee, the Texans.
And we have our featured tag team contest here for you. This one's been brewing for months. The Marksmen taking on the Texans. You heard the phrase, don't mess with Texas, right there on Texas Outlaws singlet. These are two men you don't want to mess with, but if anybody can, it's the Marksmen. They have had Tommy Jack McGee's number now for months, pulling out dirty victories, and even when Tommy's able to get the win, 3-on-1 beatdowns after the match, until Texas Outlaw came to his rescue. And now these two squaring off with the Marksmen. Marksmen still have that 3-on-2 advantage with Jenna Storm on the outside. We are now underway with our feature tag team match of the night. Here at Supreme Explosion in Seymour, Indiana, at Harmony Park.
Me and him had beef for 2.5 months. Why has he got his guard dog in here? Was he scared? Scared Tommy Jack?
Oh, and Tommy Jack McGee scared. There's one thing Tommy Jack McGee is, it's not scared. And Tommy Jack's going to start off the match. I think that had more to do with Marksman Fudd not wanting to start off with Texas Outlaw. Tommy Jack McGee. These two proud Texans taking on the Marksmen.
You ain't scared. Lock up with me.
And Tommy Jack powered down by Marksman Fudd. Tommy Jack's not scared, but he's definitely outpowered there. Tommy watching his back. You always got to watch your back with the Marksman. Nice go behind. Tommy tricked him there. Get the advantage there with the headlock. Tommy Jack shot off. Nope. That didn't work. Tommy Jack off. Shoulder block.
Knock me down, Tommy Jack. Oh.
I might have helped Tommy Jack there. He's right. He can't knock him down like that. But he can certainly take it to him. Wrenching on an arm. Now we're going to see the big man, Texas Outlaw, in for the first time in this match, officially. Texas Outlaw, former Supreme Heavyweight Champion, held the title just 1 day shy of a year in that reign of dominance. Outlaw hasn't been in Supreme Wrestling for a while. Made sporadic appearances. But when his fellow Texan came calling, he answered the call. And now he's paying off, taking it right to Marksman Fudd. Now Tommy Jack back in. He's still working well together. You get to see JB Kidd into the match. Oh, but right to the eyes. And now we got JB Kidd. A high flyer. Just got thrown. Nice arm drag. Tommy pulling back on that arm. Well, we've got a packed house tonight. Dusk sets here in Harmony Park. It's been a hot day. Things are just heating up here in this tag team match. JB Kidd nailing him here in the stomach, trying to get out of this. Tommy takes him right back down. Now Tommy's using the size advantage to his advantage for once. I wouldn't call JB Kidd a weak link, because he's certainly not. But he's the lighter of the two. So you got to think that the Texans want to keep him in the ring, as long as they keep him off his feet. If he gets going, oh, I'm surprised there. Tommy Jack just let him tag out. That's why. You see the big bulls meeting the center of the ring again. Third. Texas Outlaw is ready to go. Marksman Fudd obviously a little cautious here. One thing to have 3-on-1 beatdowns. You get the Texas Outlaw in there, things are suddenly even. Texas Outlaw powering Marksman Fudd into the turnbuckle. You got a clean break. But then Marksman Fudd has to push him out. He just pushed him down. Look at the power. That's a 400-pound man. He just pushed over. And the Texas Outlaw has the Marksman down here on the floor trying to talk over a game plan. Outlaw is not playing. Marksman Fudd back in. Oh, and right to the eyes. JB Kidd in now. Kid's got to strike fast. He's going to try to, looks like he's going to try to shoot him out of the, I don't know if he can get him. Not able to. Just not working, kid. He paid for it. JB Kidd has heart. Just didn't have the power to pull him out of the corner. And now he's paying for it. Texas Outlaw scoops him. Just holds him there. Gonna make a tag to Tommy. Scoop slams him down. And Tommy Jack McGee in now. And the Texans have the advantage. Tommy Jack dropping that elbow. 1, 2. Of course, Tommy Jack McGee with that old school mentality. Grew up watching the Von Erichs, Bruiser Brody. Oh, and right to the eye. Oh, he's tagging him over there. Kid, Marksman Fudd there hurt this team by being in the wrong corner. I don't know what this is. Oh, and look at that. Jenna Storm on the outside trips him. And JB Kidd at the advantage now, just choking him. This is really where the Marksmen shine. Again, we're here at a Harmony Park, outside the Brooklyn Pizza Company. Fans treated some great food tonight. And great wrestling action here in the middle of the Supreme Ring, and Marksman Fudd is back on the advantage over Tommy Jack McGee. We have seen this many times. Tommy is stunned and got a clothesline, leveled him. Fudd off the ropes. Drops that 400-pound leg. Fudd saying it's done. 1, 2. You got to think if Fudd would have put his body weight across him, he would have had him there. Fudd right back on him, choking him. Dirty tactic, but effective. Referee telling him to quit choking. JB Kidd trying to distract. Oh, throws him over the top rope. That would have been a disqualification if the referee was looking. That over the top rope is a disqualification in Supreme Wrestling. And it's unfortunate the referee was turned around the wrong way. Tommy Jack McGee trying to get up. Fans trying to fan him here. You don't want to see this end in a disqualification. Or, sorry, a count out. Or disqualification, rather. It's getting dark here. You got the ring all lit up. And now JB Kidd, Tommy Jack McGee down in the grass. Got covered with that grass. Not only is he getting slammed to the mat, but the irritation of that grass has got to just throw him completely off his game. Referee putting the count on. Jenna Storm lurking around here. Of course, the Marksmen will take a victory any way they can. We're up to 7. Tommy Jack's got to pull himself up. Oh no, we're at 9. Tommy just got in and Bud doesn't realize it yet. Marksmen cannot believe it. Tommy Jack's back covered in dirt and grass. Nailing Fudd. Oh, what a clothesline. That just bent his neck. Neck is not supposed to bend in that fashion. Wild and free. Tommy Jack McGee got to get back to his feet. Talking before about how he's a fan growing up with the Von Erichs. Bruiser Brody. He brings that old school mentality to new school wrestling. And it's really worked out well for him. But now Marksman Fudd right on him. JB Kidd now in. What's Kidd got in mind? Kidd going up. Kidd perched on the top rope. Just waiting for Tommy Jack McGee, measuring him. Flies. Double axe handle, but he misses. Tommy hits him in the gut. Tommy hooks him with front face DDT. This is Tommy Jack McGee's moment here. He's got to capitalize. Tommy rolling over towards his partner, JB Kidd in the way though. Smart tag team wrestling right there. Doesn't let him reach the corner. You got to respect that, but now Kidd's okay. Fudd McGee got the tag. Fudd in illegally. Texas Outlaw doesn't care though. He's nailing both of them. Go put their heads together. And both men are down. Tommy Jack McGee back into the match. McGee and JB Kidd, the legal men. Fudd's got Texas Outlaw. Pulls him to the outside. Tommy needs to turn around. Don't worry about the outside. Kidd made him pay for it. Tommy Jack McGee, not a rookie mistake, but certainly sunset flip. 1, 2, 3.
Here are your winners, the Texans.
What an impressive victory here by the Texans. Very impressive victory.